Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are seeing my face for the very first time, then hi, my name is Shivi, and if you're new to my channel then please consider subscribing. 80% of the audience जो मेरी वीडियोस देखती है उसने अभी तक मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. इट कॉस्ट यू लिटरली नथिंग. You can also follow me in Instagram. I'll attach my Insta handle somewhere on the screen. I'm super active on Instagram, so do follow me there as well. So आपने टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि this is gonna be a Myntra X H&M haul. So yeah, this is gonna be a very interesting and exciting video. So this is gonna be the first clothing haul on my channel. And also अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड कमेंट करना कि आपकी फेवरेट क्लोथिंग पीसेस क्या क्या थे. अगर आपको कुछ पसंद आता है then you can buy it directly from the links given in my description box. I have these two giant boxes right here. So इन दोनों में ही चीज़ें आई थी एंड एक चीज़ इंडिविजुअली इस तरीके के पैकेट्स में पैक होके आई थी एंड देयर वर नो प्लास्टिक पैकेजिंग, सो आई रियली लाइक दैट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू द वीडियो. The first top right here is this really cute black crop top. This one has this really nice button detailing on the front. The material is really very nice. This is a ribbed top and also this is super stretchable. So I selected this one from the kids section. I know kids section, right? But yes, this one is super stretchable, so it fits me like a glove. So if you have a petite body type like mine, then you can go for it. So next up is the super cute white sweatshirt. This one is also cropped and I'm living for this Looney Tunes print. I used to watch this show like crazy. Looney Tune family hit like. So this one has got print on it back as well, and this print is not gonna fade away after washes. I really like the boxy fit of this sweatshirt. It has got really nice long sleeves and I just love long sleeves a lot. The quality of this one is really nice. H&M never disappoint me when it comes to quality. So the fabric of this is neither thick nor thin. This is somewhere in between. So for me, I can't wear this one in summer, definitely not. It will look amazing with a pair of denims and your sneakers, and yeah, that's it. You are ready to go. This was in the size extra small and it fit me really well. So the next one is also a top. This is a very nice cute pastel pink top. I got this one just because of its color and I just love the way it looks on me. And this one has this really nice cute net detailing on its sleeves. Again, the quality of the fabric is amazing. This is soft as hell and this is super stretchable. So this one was a long top. So if you're someone who likes wearing long top, you can buy it. But I'm going to tuck it in my jeans like the way I'm doing right now. So when it comes to basic, you can style them in so many ways. And this was in the size extra small. Next up is a tee which is in this amazing lavender color. I really wanted something in this color for so long and I finally got it. It was from the men's section. This was in the size extra small, and if you're somewhere around 5'2" or less, then you can wear this one as a dress. I totally loved this one. The fabric is soft and nice. This has this graphic detailing going on in the front and the back, and I really like the pop of color at the back, and I just loved this one a lot. So moving on to the next one, again this is a t-shirt which is kind of peachy pink in color. This is perfect for daily wear. The quality of this one is super amazing. It is a little see-through, but I don't mind. Or if you have problem with that, what you can do is just slip on a cami top and you are good to go. This has got this little embroidery detailing in the front which says love. Overall, I really love this one as well. So again, this was in the size extra small. So next up is the clothing piece that is one of my favorite in this whole lot. This is a super cool neon green hoodie. This is not bright as hell. This is neon but a more subtle one, which is just perfect according to my likings. The moment I saw this one, I was like, dude, I have to get this one right away. This has got this beautiful cap and these pockets. This is super warm and comfy, which makes it perfect for winters. I am more like a black and white person, but this time I was like, I have to experiment with color, so I was like, bring it on. So if you like experimenting with color, then just go for it. This one was in the size extra small.
There is
Next one is again a top, which is this really cute crop top, again in a pastel lavender color. I know I'm saying that again and again, but I really like this one. You can wear this in two ways. In the first one, you can wear it as it is. This will give you a boxy kind of fit. Secondly, when you will pull these drawstrings, it will really cinch in your waist and it will give you that fuller look. So I really like the vibe of this one. This has got these nice long loose sleeves which runs down till the elbow. This one is also in the size extra small. Next up, I have this really basic black crop top. This has got really thin strap and I think this is a must have in every girl's wardrobe. So this is how it looks like. This was in the size small. Next up, I have this really nice ripped pair of denims and they are high-waisted, and I really like high-waisted jeans with crop top. The quality of this one is amazing. This is super stretchable and this was in the size 27. So next up are these really nice cotton shorts. So because of this whole COVID situation, nowadays we all spend most of our time wearing just a t-shirt and shorts. So I wanted more of these. I didn't really like any shorts from the women's section. So again I jumped to the men's section and whoa, I found this and I got this in a set of 5 and this one is also in the size extra small. So next up are these high-waisted basic black jeans. This is the third time I am purchasing the same pair of jeans because I love the fit and how comfy these are, and the old ones are kind of faded. This was also in the size 27. So next up are these same t-shirt but in different color. So one is in white and the other one is in black, and these both have this heart print going on. Again the quality is amazing and they are super soft and comfy. So my brother got these for my birthday and this was in the size 34. I totally forgot about these and I shot this clip the next day. So that is it for today's video. I hope कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, एंड अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.